What is biology? Biology is the study of life. It helps us understand living things around us. Definition: biology is a branch of science that studies living organisms. These include plants, animals, and humans. What are living things? Living things are things that have life. They can grow, breathe, reproduce, and respond to their environment. Examples: humans, animals, plants, bacteria. Why is biology important? Biology helps us to understand our body, learn about diseases and health, protect the environment, improve agriculture and food production. Main branches of biology. There are different branches of biology. Botany, study of plants. Zoology, study of animals. Microbiology, study of microorganisms. Simple example: when you feel sick and go to a doctor, biology helps doctors understand the disease and treat you. Conclusion: biology is all around us. From the food we eat to the air we breathe, everything is connected to biology. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more easy study videos.